Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another magical video. I'm super excited to get in this month's Witch's Root box. Be sure to check out the Witch's Moon down below, guys. I have them linked. Let them know I sent you. They always have such amazing boxes, so I'm so excited to see what they have for the month of January. Oh, it smells so good, guys. And I see an elephant on there, so I wonder if it's going to be Hindu themed with some incense stuff. Ooh. The goddess of wealth, it says, as we step into the lighter moments of the year, we bask in the bright and beautiful emotions of new opportunity, growth, and renewed hope. It is during these months that we stand above the clouds, able to clearly see our purpose on the horizon. We truly become overjoyed during this time of year as we allow ourselves to focus on our growth and transformation. In this very special collection, we work with such delicate and peaceful energies supporting us in obtaining new wealth, prosperity, and abundance in our lives. Wealth is not always associated with physical currency, but rather the amount of blessed companionship and understanding that fills our experiences. Take this time, these coming months, to make your intentions clear and unbound. Know that this is a time where your life changes and manipulates into a more complex and beautiful creation. I love that, guys, because a lot of people just want to manifest money, but you get abundance, and it comes in many different forms, I've learned. And there's just a little note to the subscriber. Oh, and how cool this is. I think not Shakyamuni. This is Ganesha's mom, Ganesh Buddha's mom. So it's Lakshmi, if I'm pronouncing it right. It says one of the primary Hindu goddesses. Lakshmi is the goddess of abundance and prosperity, especially wealth, fortune, power, and beauty. So beautiful depiction of her. And right here, this says, I can't pronounce it because the writing's so beautiful and witchy, but I'll have close-ups for you guys and what that is, and maybe on the paper it'll tell me. Ooh, it looks like there's a beautiful piece of citrine crystal in here, guys, and I'm sorry, I think I'm a little bit dark. There we go, it's a little bit brighter. So we got an awesome citrine crystal, and then we're gonna have some more stuff in here. Ooh, we got a little statue of her, guys, how cute. So there is a little statue of Lakshmi. Oh, this is so pretty, guys. It's so cute. It's a little statue. So this isn't Ganesha's mom, guys. It's Parvati is Ganesha's mom. I'm getting the Hindu goddesses mixed up by accident. Sorry, guys. And there is some of these magical herbs, guys. Ooh. It looks like we have Karsa Sargarda. Let's see. This smells very good. It smells like just like Hindu vibes. It smells very like Indian. And we have some soul incense sticks, so energy of the sun. Let's give this a little smell. Oh, this smells good, guys. This smells very like the Hindu Ascended Masters. It smells really good. I cannot wait to use these magical tools, and it looks like we also have a couple more things. We have this beeswax spell candle, and I love the small ones too, because when you do a quick prayer, ritual, magic, these tend to burn more quickly, guys, and super clean. So I always love these ones. They're amazing. And it looks like we also have the magical anointing oil of this month. Let's open this up. And this isn't going to be breaking on you guys in the mail. The stuff and quality is so amazing. And it looks like it says the goddess of prosperity. Ooh, this smells really good, guys. I can't name the flower, but it's got a beautiful scent. And I'm just so in love with everything. I think everything is so magical. Let's read a little bit about this goddess too. So it says Lakshmi, also known as Shri, is one of the most beloved goddess in the Hindu pantheon. She represents and holds the power of wealth, fortune, beauty, and abundance. Known as the sacred goddess of merchants, she bestows wonderful kindness to those that call upon her. It is said that she sprinkles lotus petals on your path to remind you of the sweetness of life. In addition to being the goddess of wealth, she provides relief during times of stress, fear, and panic. As you welcome her into your practice, allow her kind and beautiful energies to relieve your worries so that you're able to focus your attentions on truly beneficial purposes. And I'm getting goosebumps, guys. I can definitely feel her presence, so that is super cool. And a little bit more about this herb, because they have it in this box. It's all about the herbs. This is Casa Sagara, is a very unique and powerful bark that originally comes from species of buckthorn that is distributed through American Pacific Northwest and British Columbia. Casagara is commonly found among streams in the forests of valleys and in moist, overgrown areas. This bark is called the sacred bark by the Spanish, originally adopted by indigenous peoples of Pacific Northwest, and has aged for 12 months to be included in Pacific teas, brews that would ease stomach ailments, in addition to specific health benefits. Oh, that's cool, guys. So this has a lot of healing properties to it, and it's very different. It smells good. It's kind of got like a Hindu incense smell. It smells really good. So thank you so much to the Witch's Moon for this amazing Witch's Roots box. I love everything in it. Be sure to check them out in the comment section and description box down below, guys. Let them know that I sent you. One of the neat things about the Witch's Moon is that they have a magical moon market where you can get tarot cards, any magical tools, herbs, beautiful deity statues, and magical potions. They have all the good stuff, so be sure to check them out. And like always, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below to be notified for all of my future content. And from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx and her daughter, Goddess Hecate, may you be blessed and rejuvenated in their loving embrace. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be. Excuse me. I felt that coming out.